Hi folks, it's Jeff Slogan here, and today we're talking about the SOG Terminus 6 months on. So, if you want to know more, then stick around. So I've had this bad boy here for about 6 months now, and I'm just going to let you know what I thought of it for the past 6 months. Now, the SOG Terminus XR came out back in 2020, I think, and this is one of the original versions. It's their what I call their budget version, which is around $50, and it's still in production now. They've changed a few things up, like this pocket clip here. They've gone to a much more subtle one, which doesn't scream out SOG at you like that one does. And so, I mean, that's put a lot of people off. So just know that that's changed now. So this budget one here is a D2 steel, and it's got the G10 liners. I'm not going to go through all the specs. I have done an unboxing video on that, and I'll leave the link down below if you want to check that out. So, over 6 months, what have I learned from this, and what do I think about it? Well, this particular pocket clip, which they changed, is a little bit tight, and so I put small lanyard on here, and that just makes it easier for me to get out of my pocket quickly. You can do it without it, but this is just so much easier for me. Okay, the Z10 scales have held up really well. Still nice and grippy, really good. And the D2 steel. Now, D2 steel is not a super steel, but it's a good serviceable steel. And it holds an edge for quite a while. And the downside to it is it takes a little bit more time to sharpen than some of these super steels. But I mean, the upside to it is that once you get it sharp again, it holds that edge for quite a long time. And really, it's not that difficult to sharpen. So let's have a quick look here. As you can see, that's got a pretty nice edge to it. So another downside, a con, if you will, is that there is a break-in period with the budget model, and that's just the way it is. And it's put some people off. But to me, it's just getting to know the knife. Whoops. And that's just part of the process, in my particular opinion. Now, you can get a model of this, which is the F35V on steel and the carbon fiber scales and all of that, which is about 3 times the price of this. And you probably aren't going to have to worry about the break-in period. So if that's your jam, then by all means go for it. But I tell you what, if you just spend a little time with it, it will break in, it will break in nicely, and you're going to know a lot about the knife once it's broken. You'll be very familiar with it. And so, yeah, it's been great. I've used it for a while. I use it at work, I use it at home, and it's always with me. So, there you go. That is the SOG Terminus XR, the basic model. And I do believe that during the month of March, SOG is having a sale, and you can pick up this exact model with the improved pocket clip. And so you want to go to the SOG website and check that out. So there you go. That's my 6 month take on the SOG Terminus XR. A great knife. I enjoy it. And it's going to last me a long ass time. Alright, folks. So until next time, Jeff Slogan here. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.